Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the second video I posted today, and I'm just here with the dog. When we got the dog, they gave us some food and special toys. Say hello to the vlog, Shadow. He's sleeping right now, I think. Yeah, he's sleeping. Let's be quiet. He's been chewing on this for a long time. I think it's like bone meal or something. The other toy is this. It's like a tennis ball, football or something. And then there's an alligator. And then the frog, kind of the frog is over there. It's right. Where is it? You guys saw it, right? Okay. So yeah, he's been playing with those, and I have food. He ate already, but I'm pretty sure he's still eating. Oh, he's awakened. Hey, look! Look at the camera! Say hello to Shadow. Subscribe for more dog vids. I'm pretty sure I'm at like 49 subscribers. So yeah, someone just help me. I know you have to get paid until you get more subscribers and all that. But I just want to get to 50 first and then keep on going, like plus 50, plus 50, plus 50. Yeah. So yeah, please support the channel. I love you all so much. Thank you for supporting me.